These easy DIY ornaments are perfect for tree trimming or gift giving this holiday season. I use clear ornaments, paint, Mod Podge, gold spray paint, paint brushes, and gold leaf sheets. Start by wiping down your ornaments to remove any dust or dirt. Squirt a small amount of paint into each ornament. Place your finger over the open end and coat the inside of the ornament with the paint by swirling the ornament around to spread the paint out. Use a clean paintbrush to apply a thin coat of adhesive to the exterior of your ornament. Allow it to dry until tacky. Carefully place a sheet of gold leaf on the ornament, wrapping it around the ball and pressing it into the adhesive. Use a dry, clean paintbrush to rub the gold leaf into the adhesive. Then brush away to remove the excess. Apply a thin coat of sealer over the top of the gold leaf. Allow the ornament to dry overnight. If you want, you can spray paint the top of the ornament gold. Once the ornaments are fully dried, carefully place the tops into each ornament. Use a piece of ribbon or a hook to add it to your tree. Place in a nice gift box or use to decorate around your home. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.